Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup and bread. First, let's gather our soup ingredients. For a vibrant, flavorful soup, you'll want about 2 pounds of ripe, red tomatoes. You'll also need 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Don't forget olive oil, salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to balance the acidity. A 1/4 cup of heavy cream can add a lovely richness, if you like. Now, let's make the soup. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot. Sauté your chopped onion and minced garlic until they are fragrant and tender. Next, add your diced tomatoes and 4 cups of vegetable broth. Bring it to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for about 20 minutes. Use an immersion blender to achieve a smooth consistency. Finally, stir in a 1/4 cup of heavy cream if you wish, and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of sugar to taste. While your soup simmers, let's prepare the bread. In a large bowl, combine 1½ cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Let it bloom for 5 minutes. Then, add 3½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then knead it on a floured surface for 8 to 10 minutes. Place the dough in a greased bowl, cover, and let it rise for about 1 hour, or until it doubles. Once your dough has risen, it's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Gently shape the dough into a rustic loaf and place it on a baking sheet. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and sounds hollow when tapped. Let the bread cool slightly before slicing. Now, ladle your warm, creamy tomato soup into bowls and serve it with generous slices of your freshly baked, crusty bread. Enjoy this comforting meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.